Tired of unwanted chatter, or ready to strategize with your squad in FIFA 25? Let's dive into enabling and disabling voice chat. From the main menu, navigate over to and select Customize. It's usually located towards the right-hand side of your screen. Once you're in the Customize menu, look for the Settings option. This is where you'll find all the audio and visual tweaks for your game. Now, head into the audio settings. We're getting closer to controlling that in-game voice. Scroll down within the audio settings until you see voice chat. Here, you'll see its current status either enabled or disabled. If it says enabled and you want to turn it off, simply select voice chat and the setting will switch to disabled. Now you won't hear other players and they won't hear you. Conversely, if it's currently disabled and you want to talk strategy with your teammates, select voice chat again to switch it back to enabled. And that's it. You're now in control of your FIFA 25 voice chat experience. Now go dominate the pitch, with or without the chat.